Day 5 video of coding with AI agents. For this project, I want to configure a local LLM running on an Ubuntu Linux PC and create a web-based UI to chat to the local LLM. So for configuring the Linux PC with the local LLM, I used OpenClaw. I asked OpenClaw to look at the configuration of the PC in which it is running and find out a feasible solution for installing a local LLM and which model on the local LLM will be good for the current configuration of the PC. So those research and analysis was done by OpenClaw, and then it came back and gave me a report on the Telegram. From my end, I gave only the user rights to install the required packages to OpenClaw, and I created a username and password for the OpenClaw. And then from then on, it took control and it started installing all the required packages and all the models. So it had a couple of hiccups and issues while installing it, but it fixed everything. And then finally, it gave me the link to access that model. Wanted Codex to create a web-based chat bot using the server link of the local LLM. So it started creating all those required codings and stuff, and then and final product is like this. Once Codex finished the product, and then when you start the npm package, and this is how the final chat window will look like. This is the final product, and then I did some test commands. It's pretty little slow, but considering the configuration of the PC, that is acceptable. So let's see if it responds back. Yeah, so what I sent was reply with exactly local model, okay, and the model reply back with the same string. So we asked the model to find the bug in this code, and it took some time, and then it came back with the answer. And I kind of post all my codings, whatever I'm doing with your projects, on my personal GitHub page. I'll copy the link on the comment. And like for this, for example, this local LLM source code, it is already there. And if you guys are interested, you can make use of this code and start developing from there.